Hi guys, let's eat ube cake. It's so good, guys. The white cream is so good. Guys, I swear it's just so good. Like in the Philippines, my favorite flavor of the ice cream is really ube. I love ube. It's like
pero wala naman. Yung white lang ata niya.
I only like the bread and just.
Tato, nakikikaw itong isang to. Oo. Uwi na si Ma'am sa Thursday.
Guys, this white frosting is so good. It melts in your mouth.
Nakalakas, Lane?
Come on. Bro, you ate the whole thing. What? So good, bro. No.
And the idea, what's the problem there? Oh, it wasn't suitable for anyone in...
Want more? Yeah. Just don't finish it, guys, please. Here. Boy, I said don't finish it.
Gano'n ba ito katagal mo na yung effect niya? So, itry natin.
So good.
Nakabili ka naman dito na nakiklaim ng taxi. Tapos hindi naman. Yung mga gawa kasi sa tele yung likod, yung talaga nakakadamay kayo. Ganon. Lalo na ako na talaga.
See this white frosting?
Yung nagdadali.
Bro, I was supposed to eat that, not you.
All sorts of elite
You want? This is my last bite, so don't finish it. Bro, that was my last bite, you ate it.
Ito ng nanay ko, nilalabas lang kung may bisita. Ang ganda ng galing.
Always eat my stuff, guys.
Ganda.
I just saw my last bite. Bye. Oh my gosh, why did you eat that? That was my last. You know what? This is my last bite right here. Why did you eat that? That was my last one. You're mean.
She accidentally.
Anyways, guys, bye. You ate my food.